Hey everyone, welcome to Project Melanin Beauty. My name is Nicole Webster and I am your host. I created Project Melanin Beauty to empower black women and girls to feel beautiful and confident in their skin and to define beauty by their own standards. In celebration of Black History Month, I'll be featuring 28 beautiful black women releasing one makeover video every day of the month to bring you easy, gorgeous makeup tutorials and a little inspiration as we celebrate the magic in our melanin. Stay tuned to hear what these beautiful ladies have to say about beauty, confidence, and being a black woman. Model girl, we are doing soft glowing makeup on the lovely Ngeli. I love her name. Alright guys, so to get started, we are applying a light foundation. This is our Flawless Finish foundation. It is light to medium coverage and we want to make sure her beautiful freckles shine right through that foundation but still gives her a really nice polished look. Alright, so now we're going to cover up some dark circles and highlight the center of her face by using a lighter concealer. You always want to use a concealer 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone right under the eyes in the center of the face to really attract light and just add that nice soft dimension to your complexion. Make sure to blend out your concealer. You can use a sponge, you can use your finger, and the great thing about using your finger is that the warmth from your finger is going to melt that product right into your skin so it looks a lot more natural. So now we're going to set her makeup. This is going to make sure her makeup stays in place. It's going to finish off the look of her foundation by giving her a smooth, soft, finished look. So I'm just adding some warmth to give her that sun-kissed look. I'm using our bronzer in Golden Goddess, and this is going to really warm up her complexion. Time to add some color to the face. We're adding some blush. And I love this blush. It's a really pretty peach tone, complements women of color well, and I am just applying that to the high points of her face. And now we are adding the glow. I'm adding our Quattro in Warm Breeze. It is a really gorgeous shimmery highlighter that's going to give you that glow from within look. So now we're just going to groom her brows a bit. She has beautiful full brows, so she doesn't need much work there. I'm just filling in the sparse areas with our brow pencil in Brunette. Time for the eyes. We are keeping it neutral, we're keeping it soft, and I'm using my Coco Couture palette, a really popular neutral palette, works on any skin tone, and we're just going to give her a beautiful contoured eye. So now we're going to give her that bright wide-eyed look by using a nude pencil in the inner rim of her eye, which we call the waterline. And this is going to really open up her eyes. It is a great trick if you have small eyes as well. And I'm just bringing the eyeshadow that we used in her crease down to the lower lash line to define her eyes some more. So here I'm using my gel pencil in black Caviar, but this time I'm using it with a brush. And I'm just creating a really thin line across her lash line to define it a bit. And then of course you're going to apply your mascara, and I'm using Intense Lash to give her that really long, thick looking lash. So lastly for this look is her lips, and I'm just going to line and define them. So to finish off the look, I'm using our lipstick in Hello Peaches. It's a really pretty coral peach tone. It's a matte finish and it really just complements her skin nicely. And then I'm going to top it off with a gloss. And the gloss I'm going to be using is called Watermelon. And it's going to give her a really nice glossy pout. And that's the finished look, guys. Doesn't she look so polished and fresh? I love it.
Oh wow, that actually is really nice.
Thank you.
It doesn't even feel like I have a lot on. That's really nice. I love the glow. Oh, that looks so good. Oh. Feeling myself. That's really good. And the eyes are so nice. Wow. That's great. Okay, so what makes me confident in my own skin is, I guess, not really caring about what other people say or do. I think growing up as a woman, it's a very hard reality. I guess not reality, it's just kind of hard to embrace who we are as women, and over time it's just like, you know what, I chose to stop caring. So I think with that, you know, whatever words, it just deflects right off of me, and just embracing my full self. There's only one me, so that's what's exciting, and that's what I guess makes me confident. So what do I love about being a Black woman? I love that I am so different, and I mean love and embracing everything about me. Just that there's no one else that looks like me. I think as a Black woman there's so much versatility with our skin and with our hair, and that's just what makes us so unique and so strong as women in general. So that excites me. What would I tell about my 12-year-old self? I would tell her, don't worry, everything's gonna be amazing. Stop caring so much about what other people think about you. You're one of a kind, girl, so just keep going.